Car 3307-6368, copy domestic.
3307-6368.
Car 3307-6368 is domestic, 9112 Rambler Drive, 9112 Rambler. The caller states that their husband is intoxicated and armed with a small small handgun. Male is saying that he will kill the police if they are sent, and the car is unable to get away from him. A male is in the background saying that it's a .38 revolver, and he's saying if they come and don't shoot me, they are going to die.
We're on scene. We're on scene with the subject.
I have a call. That's 30 units on scene. Would you like to station out?
6368, he's got 2 guns. We're at Sterling and Ram.
That's their station held.
01. Hold the station. Suspect armed two times.
That's their station held. Subject armed 2 times. 721. You have a call.
One shot fired, victim.
That's their shot fired, victim down 730.
68, shots fired, shots fired.
That's their argument secure.
1, we're both secure.
That's their officers are secure. Do you want me to start EMS?
Start them in stage.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
For Porch, he's got guns.
Show me your hands! Where's the weapon? 3301, we're on scene. We're on scene with the subject. Put the weapon down! Put it down! Put the weapon down! 1, hold.
And Ram.
3301, hold the station. Suspect armed two times. Drop the fucking gun! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground!
Come on, man!
Bate, get covered! Put the guns down!
Drop the fucking gun! Drop it now! Drop it! Drop it! Hey, dude, it's
Hey, I'm ready.
Hey, Tom. Drop the fucking gun! Drop it!
3301, shots fired, victim down. Clear.
I'm sorry, victim down.
Shots fired.
That's their argument secure.
1, we're both secure. Hey, stay back!
That's their officers are secure. Do you want me to start EMS?
Go ahead, start them in stage.
I got to go.
That's fair, that's right.
6368, I got both guns.
Hey, cover me.
That's there. There's some down. I'm secure. There's nothing crazy.
Hey, roll
Why
over.
did you do that?
Roll over.
Ow!
Car 4622.
Secure him.
Funeral was previously removed and will not further national.
He's got a gun? Drop whatever you got. Drop it. Drop it.
Put it down!
Drop it. Drop it. 6368, he's got 2 guns. We're at Sterling and Rambler. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop it! Drop the fucking gun! Come on, man! You don't want to...
Get covered!
Drop the fucking gun! Drop it now! Drop it! Drop it! Hey, dude, it's on.
Hey, I'm ready.
It's on. Drop the fucking gun! Drop it! Clear. 6-8, shot fire, shot fire. Oh. We got the guns, I got the guns. Tell them I got the guns. Car 6368, I got both guns. Subject is down. Get everybody out here, crime scene. Tape everything. Man, why did you do that?
Roll over.
He's on.
Secure him.